Here are some amazing facts about the gharial. Scientific name. The scientific name of the gharial is Gavialis gangeticus. Distinctive snout. Gharials are easily recognized by their long, thin snouts. Diet. Their diet primarily consists of fish, making them piscivores. Habitat. They are found in the river systems of India, Nepal, and Bangladesh. Length. Adult males can reach lengths of up to 20 feet. Weight. They can weigh up to 2,000 pounds. Sexual dimorphism. Males have a bulbous growth on the tip of their snout called a ghara, which is absent in females. Endangered status. Gharials are critically endangered, with fewer than 1,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Reproduction. Female gharials lay eggs in sandy riverbanks during the dry season. Incubation. The eggs incubate for about 60 to 80 days. Hatchlings. Baby gharials are about 12 inches long at birth. Parental care. Unlike some crocodilians, gharial mothers do not carry their young in their mouths due to their narrow snouts. Basking. Gharials bask in the sun to regulate their body temperature. Social behavior. They are generally solitary but may be seen basking in groups. Swimming. Gharials are excellent swimmers, using their tails for propulsion. Nostril placement. Their nostrils are located at the end of their snouts, allowing them to breathe while mostly submerged. Teeth. Gharials have over 100 sharp, interlocking teeth. Lifespan. They can live up to 50 to 60 years in the wild. Speed. They are not fast on land but can swim quickly in water. Conservation efforts. Various organizations are working to protect and conserve gharial populations. Temperature-dependent sex determination. The sex of gharial hatchlings is determined by the temperature at which the eggs incubate. Cultural significance. Gharials are mentioned in ancient Indian texts and have cultural significance in some communities. Skull. Their skull is elongated and narrow, adapted for catching fish. Eyes. Their eyes are positioned on top of their heads, allowing them to see above water while submerged. Diet change. Juvenile gharials may eat insects and small amphibians before transitioning to a fish-based diet. Vocalizations. Males produce a buzzing sound using their ghara to attract females during the breeding season. Nest guarding. Females guard their nests from predators like monitor lizards and jackals. Growth rate. Gharials grow rapidly in their first few years of life. Captivity. They are kept in some zoos and breeding centers to help with conservation efforts. Hybridization. Gharials do not naturally hybridize with other crocodilian species. Scale pattern. They have unique scale patterns that can be used for individual identification. Riverine habitat. They prefer deep, fast-flowing rivers with sandy banks. Historic range. Historically, their range included river systems across the entire Indian subcontinent. Human threats. Habitat destruction, fishing nets, and pollution are major threats to gharials. Conservation success. Some reintroduction programs have been successful in increasing local gharial populations. Locomotion. Gharials use a belly-sliding motion to move on land. Reproductive maturity. Females reach sexual maturity at around 10 years, while males take longer, up to 15 years. Juvenile survival. Juvenile survival rates are low due to predation and environmental factors. Subspecies. There is only one recognized species of gharial, Gavialis gangeticus. Predators. Juveniles are preyed upon by birds, mammals, and larger fish. Historical significance. Fossil evidence shows that gharials have existed for millions of years. Crocodilian relatives. Gharials are more closely related to crocodiles than alligators. Ecosystem role. They play a vital role in maintaining healthy fish populations in their river ecosystems. Sensory organs. Gharials have sensory organs on their snouts to detect movement in the water. Sunbathing, basking in the sun helps Gharials digest their food. Fishing technique, they catch fish with quick sideways movements of their head. Unique jaw structure, their jaws are weakly muscled but highly adapted for snapping at fish. Conservation status, they are listed on Appendix I of CITES, prohibiting international trade. Ganges River, the Ganges River is one of the primary habitats for Gharials. Local names, in India, they are also known as Gharial or fish-eating crocodile. Temperature regulation, they can regulate their body temperature by moving between sun and shade. CITES, they are protected under the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species. Human interaction, Gharials generally avoid humans and are not considered a threat. Egg clutches, females lay between 20 to 95 eggs per clutch. Egg size, Gharial eggs are relatively large, about the size of a tennis ball.